welcome back to AGC Academy. Now we are in the chapter 1, exercise 1.3, second bit. So see the question once. Without performing division, state whether the following rational numbers will have terminating decimal form or non-terminating repeating decimal form. Check it. Okay, so the first four questions I written on the board. See, first question is 13 by 3125, 11 upon 12, 64 upon 455, 15 upon 1600. So now let us going to check this whether they are terminating decimals or non-terminating decimals just by looking it. Okay, we are not going to solve it completely. So without actual division, we are going to tell that whether they are terminating or non-terminating decimals. So look at the first question. 3125, 3125. Let us find the prime factors for this. Okay, so 5 6 to 20, 625 times, then 5 125 times, then 5 25 times, then 5 5 times, 5 1 time. So then finally how many 5s are here? 5 power 5 is nothing but 3125. Okay, right. So one thing you have to know here, that is, if your denominator is in the form of 2 power n and 5 power m, where 2 and where n and m are non-negative integers. Non-negative integers in the sense they are positive integers. N and m are positive integers. If I express the denominator, in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n, then at any cost I will express this as a terminating decimal. Okay. See now here 5 power 5. So here 2 power is 0. Nothing but why here 2 is not there, right? So here 2 power 0. So can I express this as a terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal? This is definitely terminating decimal. Okay. So 3 upon 3125 is the terminating decimal. So just how you can express it? Just writing here 13 by 5 power 5. So 5 power 5 is there. So you have to multiply here 2 power 5 and divide with 2 power 5. Then you will get the decimal form of this rational number. Okay, right. Next one. But here we are not going to solve this at all. So just in the question is asking that check whether they are terminating or non-terminating decimals. That is our question. So I am not going to solve it. Okay. So just I am here writing here. This is a terminating decimal. Okay. Let us move to the next question. 11 by 22. So 11 by 12. Sorry. 11 upon 12. So 12 can be written as 2 to the 4. 4 to the 12. But here this 3 is there. So now, excuse me. Now the denominator is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. 2 power n into 5 power m. So then absolutely it is non-terminating repeating decimal. If you perform the actual division also, you know that it is a non-terminating decimal. Okay. Next we will go to the third problem. 64 by 455. So I am again finding the factors for the 455, prime factors for the 455. So 5 13 17. Sorry, 5 13 7. So here it is not in the form of, the denominator is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So it is also 64 by 455 is non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. So in the same manner, I am going for the fourth question, 15 upon 1600. So I expressed the 1600 in the form of prime factors. Then I get 2 power 6 into 5 power 2. So then this is in the form of 2 power n 5 power m. So definitely it is a terminating decimal. There is no doubt at all. Okay. This is a terminating decimal. Now see the fifth question. So here denominator is 343. So 343 is nothing but 7 cube. So it is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So 29 by 343 is non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. So now next one. So see the sixth one. So the sixth one is already it is clearly denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So 23 by 2 cube into 5 square is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. So next one here 7 power 5, 5 2 power 2, 5 power 7, 7 power 5. So the denominator is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So 129 by 2 square into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5 is non-terminating repeating non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. So that's all about this. Next, see the eighth question. So 9 by 3 5 is 15, right? Denominator can be written as 3 into 5. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So 3 one time, 3 3 is a. So 3 by 5. So your denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So 9 by 15 is non-terminating. Oh, sorry, it is a terminating decimal. Next one, so 36 by 100. So 100 can be written as 2 power 2 into 5 square. So 2 to the 4, 25. So 2 to the 4, 5 square, 25. 4 into 25, it is 100. So now it is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So 36 by 100 is terminating decimal. So 36 by 100 is terminating decimal. So next one, see the 10th question. So the 10th question is 77 upon 210. So let us find the factors for 210. So 2 105 times, then 5 21 times, and 7 3 times. So then we can write it as, so 2 into 5 into 7 into 3. So then we can cancel here 7 one time and 7 11 times. But again we have the 3 and 3 in the denominator. So there is no 2 power n into 5 power m form. So 77 by 210 is non-terminating repeating decimal. So that's all about the fifth bit. So we will see in the next bit.